Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see your EBT PIN number, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So if you already don't have one, you need to dial 1-888-328-6399, and then it's going to ask you which language you want to be talked, and you're going to click 1 for English, and then it's going to ask you to enter your 19-digit number in the front of your card. You're going to put that in, and you're going to press 1 to create your PIN, and then it's going to ask you to provide the last 4 digits of the cardholder's social security number, so make sure you do that. After that, it's going to ask for like a child's actual birthday, and then it's going to ask you to enter your zip code, and then once you're done, it's going to say select your 4-digit PIN. So just make sure you put in a hard one. Don't do something like 0000, something like that. Do something that is tough, like 6259 or whatever you want. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.